Hi, this is Nathan Tintle. In this Learning Goal video, we're going to talk about how when we say the chance model is plausible, this doesn't necessarily mean that the chance model is the correct explanation. We're going to use the Can Dolphins Communicate example to talk about this idea. In a follow-up study to the original Doris and Buzz study, where Buzz pushed the correct lever 15 out of 16 times, Dr. Bastian put a wooden barrier in the pool. He then had Doris and Buzz do the study 28 times. So 28 times the light's either on or blinking, and Dr. Bastian records how many times Buzz pushes the correct lever. In this case, it turns out Buzz only pushed the correct lever 16 times. If you conduct a simulation study with this data, you find that 16 out of 28 is quite typical when flipping a coin 28 times, as you can see on this dot plot. Here we flipped a coin 28 times, recorded the number of heads, and then repeated that many times, generating 1,000 repetitions of 28 coin flips. We see that a value of 16 is well within the range of typical outcomes when flipping a coin 28 times. Here's the key idea. This does not mean that we've proven that Buzz was guessing, simply that guessing is one reasonable or plausible explanation for Buzz getting 16 out of 28. In fact, just guessing is not the correct explanation here. Dr. Bastian found out later that the fish feeding machine had broken partway through this study, so Buzz was not getting his fish. This is a really important thing to remember. A lot of students think that getting a result like 16 out of 28 maybe has proven that Buzz is guessing. Again, we haven't proven that he's guessing, simply that 16 out of 28 is the kind of thing that could happen if he was guessing. But there's lots of other explanations that are reasonable and plausible as well. A lot of those are contextual ones, like we need to look at the experimental design and think harder about other things that could be explaining the result that we've seen.